Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful Barber Shop Layout Pack, and this Layout Pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at this Barbershop Layout Pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. This layout pack includes custom icons, high quality images, all of which you can use without any restrictions on your own website. And if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Barbershop Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, and these are all available in Divi. You can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layout packs for yourself without actually installing them on your WordPress website first. So say for instance you want to use this landing page. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. To access the Barbershop Layout Pack, we're going to click on this purple button over here. And here we have all of our different layout packs again. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Barbershop Layout Pack. Select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your website ready to go live. Of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to change the look and feel of your page. So say, for instance, you want to change this background color overlay. You can go to your gradient background over here and pick another color of your choice, change the transparency. And you can basically do this for each and every element within your page. You can also play around with the efficiency features. So say for instance you want to change this font throughout the entire layout. You can do that by opening the module, going to the Design tab, going to the heading text settings. Over here you can right click and click on Find and Replace. And you can change this font within this page with another font of your choice. You can also take off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading 2 font, and this will make sure that all of the text is covered. And then we'll click on replace. So as you can notice, this has been changed throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every design element and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.